Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition one digit. And the lesson we're going to cover is identify repeated addition in arrays sum to 10. Write addition sentences for arrays sum to 10. Identify repeated addition in arrays sum to 25. So we're working on addition one digit, right? We're going to see how do we identify repeated additions, right? That sums to 10. So let's just start with the first lesson here. I'm on grade 2 math. The chapter we're working on is addition one digit. Here is the lesson. Identify repeated additions in arrays sum to 10. Okay, so what is repeated additions? That means you have to do the addition for the same, like just look at this example. Which addition statement describe the array? Right, you can see you have four groups. One, two, three, four. Four rows, and in each row you have two hearts, right? So how do you write the addition statement that describe the array? You have to write down the addition statement. So how do you write? You can write 4. You have to add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is repeated addition. You're going to add again and again. Repeated means something you have to do again and again. That is a repeated addition. Got it? You have to add 2 4 times. Got it? The next one is write an addition statement that describes the array. Right? Okay, you can see how many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows we have, and in 5 rows we are going to add 2. So you need to do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2 because you are adding 5 times. So you have to do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, which addition statement describe the array? Which is the correct option? You can see you are given 2 of the rows, right? And in each row you have 3 rectangles. So the correct option is that would be 3 plus 3, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is 3 plus 3. Okay, which addition statement describe the array? Which is the correct option? You have 3 rows, and in each row you have 2 circles. So the correct option is option number 1. You have to do 2 plus 2 plus 2. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Which addition statement describe the array? Which is the correct option? The correct option is you have two rows and in each row you have four circles. So it is 4 plus 4, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. That would be 4 plus 4. Which addition statement describe the array? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, you can see you have one, two, three, 4 rows, and in each row you have just two circles, right? So you have to do 2 plus 2 plus 2. You need to add 2 4 times, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Which addition statement describe the array? Which is the correct option? The correct option is you can see you have one, two, three, four, 5 rows, and in each row you have two stars. So which option is the correct one? That means you need to add two. How many times? 5 times. So which option is the correct one? Very good. The correct option is option number 1, right? Which addition statement describe the array? Which is the correct option? The correct option is you have 2 rows, and in each row you have one, two, three, four, 5 squares. So which is the correct option? That would be 5 plus 5, right? The correct option is 5 plus 5 because you have 2 rows, and in each row you have 5 squares. So that means you have to add 5 plus 5. Okay, which addition statement describe the array? Which is the correct option? The correct option is the correct option is you have 2 rows, and in each row you have just 4 squares. So that would be 4 plus 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which addition statement describes the array? Which is the correct option? You have 4 rows, and in each row you have 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? So that means you have to add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. The correct option is option number 1. You need to add 2 4 times. Very good. That would be option number 1. Which addition statement describes the array? Which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. You have 2 rows, so the answer is 3 plus 3, right? The correct option is 3 plus 3. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Which addition statement describes the array? Which is the correct option? The correct option is you have 4. You have 2 rows, and in each row you have 4 rectangles. So that would be 4 plus 4 is the correct option. Option 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? Okay, the next one is the same thing, but you have to add until 25, right? There is the repeated right addition sentences for arrays up to 10, right? Okay, let's see. So, which is the correct option? Use repeated addition to describe the array, which is the correct option. Okay, let's just see. In array, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, right? 5 rows, and in each row you have 2 hearts. So that means the missing one is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. You have 5 times 2, right? And when you add them, that would be 10. So that would be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. So the number missing is 2 is missing, and their sum is missing. So their sum is 10. So that would be option number 1, 2, and 10, right? Okay, more questions on this lesson can be done in the next grade. Okay, let's just go back to next lesson. And the next lesson is identify repeated addition in arrays sums to 25. Let's see if we have practice questions for this lesson. Okay, Which addition statement describe the array? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? You can have four rows, right? And in each row you have two squares, so that would be option number 1. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. The correct option is option number 1. Option 1 is the correct option. Which addition statement describes the array? Which is the correct option? You have one, two, three, four rows, and in each row you have three diamonds. So the correct option is option number. Very good. That would be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Option 2 is the correct option. Which addition statement describe the array? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is option number 2. Very good. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is the correct option. Which addition statement describe the array? Which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. That would be option number 2. 3 plus 3 is the correct option. Which addition statement describe the array? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in each row you have 4 stars, right? So that would be very good. That is option number 2. You have to add 4 5 times. Got it? Okay, this which addition statement describe the array? Which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. The correct option is 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5, right? Because you have 3 rows and in each row you have 5 circles. So that would be 5 plus 5. Which addition statement describes the array? Which is the correct option? Very good. That would be 5 plus 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. You have 2 rows and in each row you have 5 hearts. Which addition statement describes the array? Which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. That would be the second option, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. You need to add 3 5 times. Option 2 is the correct option. Which addition statement describes the array? Which is the correct option? The correct option is okay, still. Which addition statement describes the array? Which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. That would be option number 1. 4 plus 4 plus 4, right? Option 1 is the correct option. Which addition statement describes the array? Which is the correct option? That would be 4 plus 4. The second option is the correct option, right? Okay, we are done with the lesson and also we are done with the chapter. So we're going to start the new chapter. And the next chapter is subtraction one digit, right? We have just done with addition one digit. Now we're going to start with subtraction one digit. Okay, subtract one digit numbers up to 10. So let's just start with your first lesson. Okay, so subtraction means taking away a specific number from another number, right? For example, you can have 3 take away 3, right? You already have 3. 3 minus 3 is, you already have 3 because you need to subtract 3. So cross 3 of them, right? When you cross 3 of them, you can see you do not have anyone that is not crossed, right? That means 3 take away 3 is 0. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay. 9 take away 6. So you have total 9 lamps, right? You crossed 6 of them. Now you have to count how many lamps you are left with. Yes, just count the one that are not crossed. So 3 of them are not crossed. That means 9 take away 6 is 3, right? So the correct option is 3. Subtract 7 take away 3, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? The correct option is you have 7 of the peach, not apple. You cross 3 of them. Now you have to count how many of them you're left with. You're left with just 4, right? Just count the one that are not crossed. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 take away 3 equals 4, right? Okay, subtract. You have, why I'm still on the same page. Okay, the next one is subtract. You have 5 take away 1. So which is the correct option? Count the one that are not crossed. So you're left with, very good. You have to count the one that are not crossed. So you are left with 4. 5 take away 1 equals 4. Okay, subtract 10 take away 6. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, you have to count the one that are not crossed. So 10 take away 6 equals 4. The correct option is 4. Okay, the next one is 5 take away 4. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 take away 1 equals, sorry, 5 take away 4 equals 1. The correct option is 1. Okay, the next one is 9 take away 5. So which is the correct option? You have to do 9 take away 5. So count the ones that are not crossed. So you're left with 9 take away 5 is, very good. The one that are not crossed are 4. 9 take away 5 is 4. Okay, subtract 8 take away 1. So which is the correct option? 8 take away 1 equals. Hello. Okay, 8 take away 1 equals. Yes, that would be 7. Okay, 7 take away 1 equals. Yes, you have to count the one that are not crossed. So 7 take away 1 equals 6. The correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is 8 take away 6. So which is the correct option? You have to count the one that are not crossed. So how many of them are not crossed? Yes, just 2 of them. So 8 take away 6 is 2. The correct option is 2. Okay, the next one is 10 take away 10. So which is the correct option? You don't have anyone that is not crossed, right? So 10 take away 10 is, yes, that would be 0. The correct option is 0. The next one is 10 take away 10. So which is the correct option? Okay, the next one is 7 take away 7. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, you don't have anything that is not crossed, right? So 6, 7 take away 7 is 0. The correct option is 0. Okay, 8 take away 4. So which is the correct option? You have to count the ones that are not crossed. So 8 take away 4 is, 4. The correct option is 4. 8 take away 4 is 4. The last one is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 7 take away 2, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 5. Very good. So 7 take away 2 is 5. The correct option is 5. The next one is 7 take away 4. So which is the correct option? You have to count the ones that are not crossed. So 7 take away 4 is, 7 take away 4 is 3. The correct option is 3. Okay, the next one is 4 take away 3. So, which is the correct option? Very good. 4 take away 3 is 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 2 math. We have started with the chapter addition 1 digit. Hold on, let me just edit the lesson name. So, we have covered from the chapter are covered from the chapter are additions in arrays sums to 10. Write addition sentences for arrays sum to 10 and identify repeated additions in arrays sum to 25. Then we have started the new chapter, that is subtraction 1 digit, and we have covered one of the lesson from the chapter. So please make sure before the next complete all the practice questions for the day today. So if you help with any of the lesson, in fact any tutor on the Skype, they are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, right? Ask, I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, leave it.